Cheers. Okay, all packed pretty much, ready for a trip tomorrow, heading north, going to Lamington National Park in southeast Queensland. Going camping. I've always been a bit soft when it comes to camping. I just don't do it when I'm on my motorbike. I just go to a motel room usually, but I figured, no, I've got to give it a crack. So I've got my tent on board, all my sleeping bags and air mattresses and pillows and coffee making in there, very important. In the back here, I've got my AV equipment for recording the journey. And I'm also, this is part of a photographic journey, a bird photography journey that I'm doing. So I've got my DSLR and my telephoto lens in there. And I'm going to O'Reilly's Rainforest retreat, which is, as I said, just over the border in Queensland. About 500 k's from here, I'll be going on the inland route. Really looking forward to it. It's taken a little bit of time working out how to pack this bike and culling what I really don't need on it. So I'm feeling pretty good about it. Got a little day pack here as well for carrying snacks and water and bits and pieces like that. So all good to go, I think. All I've got to do is get cracking tomorrow early morning. If you haven't ridden the Oxley Highway between Port Macquarie and Walker, do yourself a favour and organise a trip. The mountain section in particular is a road rider's dream. Happy days. Bobby. Hey?
You going that way?
No, I'm heading up to Tenterfield today and then up to Queensland.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Going camping. Yeah, should be good.
Yeah. Where best to go in Queensland?
Just over the border, O'Reilly's Rainforest retreat. It's up in the Lamington National Park.
Oh
Yeah. Got all my bird photography gear and stuff, so
Camping, eh?
camping, yeah. Try something different.
Yeah.
I'm always too soft to go camping. I thought, no, fuck it, this time I'll actually do it, you know.
Better up here than it is down there, isn't it?
Yeah, it's all very damp down there, isn't it?
You'd be coming up there.
Yeah, I'm going to be stopping for lunch at Uralla, so I don't know if you wanted to do that or you're going to keep going.
Whereabouts you gonna...
Probably just the main cafe up there opposite the top pub.
Right.
Yeah?
Stop that lunch for you.
Alright, sounds good.
Gotta eat.
Hey?
Gotta eat.
Gotta eat, yeah.
Away.
Oh, well, I'll follow you. Alright.
Now, eh?
Yeah, I'm ready to go. Yeah. I often bump into Bobby on the road. He's a very quick rider. He was a motocross racer back in the day and he can really get a wriggle on if he wants to. Okay, well, that's Uralla. Just caught up with Bobby Isherwood at Walker. We rode together to here, had some lunch. Now we split again, and I'm heading north to Lindesay. So I'll probably stop in Gara for some fuel. 150 kilometres range, no worries. here's my digs for the night. Tenterfield Lodge and Caravan Park. Get myself set up and head straight for the pub. Well, there we go. All set up, but it is missing something. But in my magic box here, I have the missing items. Packet of chips, chocolate bar, insect repellent, those there. And most importantly, a cheeky little Bordeaux that Tracy was good enough to pack for me, nearly a full bottle of Bordeaux, from that famous outlet called Alday, and a glass. So I am now all set up. I shall have that shortly. Oh, and a magazine to read as well. All about motorbikes. I think I deserve this. Just done 450 kilometres. Cheers. Well, it's 7:15. I managed to survive the night, which is pretty good. Quite cold. At the moment, all I've got on my mind is coffee. I reckon by the time I get finished packing everything, the coffee shops will be open, and I shall be their first customer. Just outside of Tenterfield, along the Mt Lindesay Road, sits one of the most famous Bushranger hideouts in Australia, the old cave shelter used by Captain Thunderbolt, whose real name was Fred Ward. Thunderbolt earned the nickname the Gentleman Bushranger because, unlike many others of his time, he avoided violence, he never killed anyone, and was known for being polite, even generous, during his hold-ups. He knew this whole region incredibly well. These caves were one of his favourite hideouts, tucked just far enough off the road to stay hidden, but close enough to watch travellers moving between Tenterfield and Warwick during the gold rush days. The big gap between the rocks here made for the perfect natural stable. Thunderbolt kept his horses sheltered in this space, with fresh water nearby and a lookout point above to spot anyone approaching. This stretch between Tenterfield and Wollongong, Mt Lindesay Road, is motorcycling at its best. It's twisty, fast-flowing, barely a car in sight today, and the weather, spot on. The road rolls and dips through high country with long sight lines and a smooth camber. It's a kind of ride that just makes you forget all about time. And then there it is, Mt Lindesay on the Summerland Highway. Rising 1,175 metres, it's one of the most striking peaks in the Macpherson Range. That summit is the eroded remnant of ancient lava flows from the Focal Peak volcano. The mountain straddles a border between Queensland and New South Wales, and its rainforest covered slopes are often shrouded in mist. But today it's clear, and you can see why it's been a landmark for explorers, climbers and surveyors since the 1800s. The first recorded ascent was in 1872 and it's still a serious climb. One of its crevices, Vidler's Chimney, wasn't successfully scaled until 1953. Just over the Queensland border, a quick stop for lunch at Rathdowney. and then a coffee stop at O'Reilly's Vineyard before the long, steep, narrow climb up to O'Reilly's Rainforest retreat along the Lamington National Park Road. This is Lamington National Park Road. It's a steep, narrow climb that twists its way up the McPherson Range towards O'Reilly's Rainforest retreat. It's hard to believe this road was built nearly a century ago, by hand. In the 1920s, local workers used picks and shovels and dynamite to carve a path through the dense forest and sheer cliffs. It was the only way to reach the O'Reilly family's remote guest house, which had started welcoming visitors in 1915. Even today it's a serious ride. It's narrow, steep and hemmed in by rainforest with barely room for two vehicles to pass. But for motorcyclists, it's magic. Every bend reveals a new view, tangled vines, ancient trees and glimpses of the valley far below. Right, well this is my campsite for 2 nights. Pretty good, I reckon. Okay, let's get into what I came here for. Bird photography, of course. After O'Reilly's, on the way to Yamba, I found a few kilometres of dirt road, which made a nice change. It's amazing to think that my bike is so powerful that the world just turns under its wheels, but there you go. I just got to the hotel in Yamba, 36 degrees all the way from Kyogle. I am cooking. See that pool out there? I'm going to go and throw myself in that pool. Can't wait.
Oh,